Guys, welcome back to Cody's Farms. Hope you're all having a good freaking Thursday. If you are, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, thanks for watching. Just joking. Happy day, boys, ladies and gentlemen. Happy day. A great day out. It's raining. You guys can't see that it's raining, unless you guys can, I don't know, GoPro. Yeah, the GoPro's picking up that. It's just stuff dripping from the gutter right there. Hope, what are you doing? Alright guys, so we got sleeping done. So we're gonna start up the Cub Cadet LT1550. Super LT1550. You know, I haven't got called out yet by anybody, but you guys, some people probably wonder, why do I call it a tractor? Well, number one, it's a lawn and garden tractor. And I don't like really saying Cub Cadet LT1550 or Cub Cadet. It doesn't sound right. So that's why I call it a tractor. Just FYI. But it's starting to rain a little bit more. You guys probably can't see it, as I said last time. Hopi over there. I wonder what she's doing. But we're gonna set you guys up. Put the tractor around. Out the hood. Start looking hard. So we got the tractor over here. We're gonna go ahead and bring the toolbox over here. Got the jack. See, days like these, guys, it's it's really nice days like these because whenever it's raining and stuff, because look at that. I like days like these because you can get out and shop and work on stuff. Park brakes on. Alright, so you guys can see the oil. Gotta take the oil filter off so we can get the oil off. Trying to get stuff going from whenever spread some fertilizer out in the fields. In the grass fields so we can bale. Off. I hate the way this oil is. Well, luckily, oil is leaking. It's on the frame a little bit, but that ain't too bad. Alright guys, it's the next day here in Indiana. You guys can tell it's the next day because it's sunny actually. Yesterday was all cloudy and dark and rainy. Today's sunny and beautiful. So let's get some work done, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta put the oil filter back on. We gotta put the new oil filter on it. LT1550. Number 24. I got the numbers. Got it when it was changed the last. Our filter is on. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so we got the oil filter on. I'm gonna take the dipstick out. We need to find a rag or something to wipe the dipstick down. I don't know how much oil's in it. Definitely needs to be added. Yeah, it ain't cool. So we're gonna fill it up. Throw that bottle in. Take some That should be good. Hopefully. Let it sit there for a minute. Yep, she's full. Right at the top. Alright. Well, my knee went in a bunch of oil. Alright guys, so we're going to close the hood. We're going to start her up and see how it's running. So she's running good. Set the tool bag on her. So, just in case. Always carry a tool bag in the tractors. Throw my sunglasses. Set down that arm. Change the oil on this, so I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys in the next video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching.